someone has a Thakurji of Giriraj, Radha and Krishna, Gauranitai. So they're all the time, the real bhakta is thinking, oh, how do they feel? Are they happy? Are they peaceful? Are they hot? Are they cold? Are they thirsty? So that's why the Archan Marg, even though it's even, of course, part of Vaidhi sadhana, it really helps bring out the idea there's someone besides me. There's someone besides me in this house. And I'm supposed to think of my wife or my friends, but especially if I live alone. But wait a minute, Thakurji's here. Because if Thakurji's not here, you think, oh, I just sleep, I this. You say, oh, Thakurji's here. Oh, I have to get up. Thakurji wants to hear me sing about Radha and Krishna tomorrow. I have to do Mangalarti. Maybe I don't even want to, but I have to think. Well, forget about me, because the whole idea of bhakti is forget about me, yeah, but only remember Radha and Krishna, and how they feel and how they think. So, oh, it's so late. Oh, I stayed up on the internet so late. Oh, but Mangalarti. Oh no, I just get up late. I'll do my puja later. No, you can't do, because Krishna, he wants to hear some Mangal. He wants to hear something Mangal. He wants to hear something auspicious. 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, it's not Mangal time. It's a Prabhat time. It's Purvan Leela. He's already gone with the cows. He's not even in your temple anymore.